Hello friends and family. Today our topic is what is BUSD. BUSD is a regulated fiat-based stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. For every unit of BUSD, there is one US dollar held in reserve. In other words, the supply of BUSD is pegged to the US dollar at a 1:1 ratio. Dollar holders can swap their token for fiat and vice versa. Paxos, the token issuer, releases monthly attestation of BUSD's reserve. As a stablecoin, BUSD is designed to maintain a stable market value. It allows investors and traders to hold a low volatility assets on the blockchain without the need to exit the crypto space. uh, Introduction of BUSD. If you have purchased or traded crypto with Binance, you will likely have already came across BUSD. The token is common among the trading pairs Binance offer, and its exchange. In short, BUSD acts as a digital version of US dollar and is pegged at its value. For newcomers, it's not always obvious why traders and investors hold BUSD. The role of BUSD and other stablecoin is, however, an essential part of the crypto ecosystem. What exactly is BUSD? BUSD is a stable founded by Paxos and Binance. Paxos uses blockchain technology to offer their stablecoin as a service product to external companies. In the past, they also created a gold-based stablecoin called PAX Gold. The New York State Department of Financial Service regulates the BUSD and PAXG tokens. On a technical level, BUSD is a fiat-based staple that maintains a US dollar pegged amount of US dollar equal to the total supply of BUSD is held in custody by Paxos, acting as its reserve. In FED, the US dollars rises or falls, the price of BUSD also does in equal amount. This is the most common and traditional model of stablecoin. BUSD offers three key attributes: the transactions accessibility, flexibility, and speed. The token is easily accessible through Paxos or Binance. You can purchase them through Binance Exchange or fiat gateways services, or send an amount in US dollars to Paxos to mine new BUSD token for you. BUSD also offers flexibility in allowing crypto users to quickly turn their holdings into a stable assets without moving off the blockchain. Finally, by using BUSD, a user can quickly send money around the globe with nominal fees. Paxos issues BUSD on the Ethereum blockchain. In addition, Binance offer a Binance PAX BUSD token on BNB chain. Binance creates BUSD BEP20 by holding BUSD in Ethereum blockchain address and mining PEG BUSD tokens, each of which correspond to a BUSD token held in reserve by Binance. BUSD and BUSD ERC20 and BUSD BEP20 holders can swap their tokens between the blockchain depending on their needs. This can be done on the Binance exchange when making withdrawals on through Binance Bridge. Binance Peg BUSD is a Binance product. It is not issued by Paxos or regulated by the New York State Department Financial Services. How does BUSD works? The mechanism for keeping BUSD peg is relatively simple compared to the other types of stablecoin. Each BUSD is exchangeable for one USDT from the reserves. By sending their BUSD to Paxos, they will burn your tokens and provide you with the fiat currency. This mechanism keeps the supply and reserve at a constant 1 by 1 ratio. Whenever the price of BUSD begins to move lower than $1 per one BUSD, arbitrator traders will purchase BUSD in a large quantities. When a price of 0.98 could provide them an opportunity to make a profit after purchasing large amount of BUSD at arbitrator can then convert the BUSD token into fiat through the Paxos platform. An increase in demand of BUSD naturally raises the token price back up to $1, restoring the 1 by 1 peg. How is BUSD regulated? New York State regulators have enforced particular measures on Paxos, Binance, and how the stablecoin must operate, along with making sure the token is fully collateralized. Paxos must carefully control the creation and burning of BUSD tokens. Paxos also has the right to freeze accounts and remove funds if needed due to illegal activity. These principles are adhered to trust charter and New York banking laws applicable to the stablecoin. In built within the smart contracts of the token in a few functions that reflects the regulation of stablecoin. Set law enforcement rule. This small price piece of code allows Paxos to use the power mentioned previously in upholding NYDF regulations. As noted above, these features apply to the Paxos issued BUSD on Ethereum, Binance Peg BUSD issued by Binance on BNB chain, formerly Binance chain, and Binance Smart Chain operates pursuant to different procedures and is not issued by Paxos or regulated by NYDFS. Why do people use BUSD? Based on the attributes we talked about earlier, BUSD and Binance Peg BUSD have multiple use cases for crypto investors and traders. Avoid price fluctuation in crypto markets. The crypto ecosystem can be very volatile, like in traditional financial market. There is also demand on stable assets in crypto, especially when the market becomes too volatile. By converting assets into fiat or securities, traditional investor can ride out volatile periods. BUSD and Binance Peg BUSD offers the same opportunity to crypto investors and traders. Lock in gains without needing to convert the fiat. When someone wants to exit an investment and secure their profit, BUSD and Binance Peg BUSD provides a highly liquid way to doing so. There's no need to wait and transfer fiat funds into your bank account from an exchange. If you decide to enter into a new position or purchase another asset, you also don't need to wait to top up your account with new fiat funds. How is BUSD different from other stablecoin? BUSD differs from other stablecoin in the market for a few significant reasons. First of all, BUSD is part of a category of fiat-based stablecoin. There are also crypto-based stablecoins that use crypto assets for their reserve, like the AI, for example. There are also algorithmic stablecoin without any collateralization to at all. Their projects attempts to control the stable coins supply with algorithmic the create and burn token. But how does BSC differ from the fiat based stablecoin? One key point is that Paxos release regular orders showing the US dollars reserve matching the supply of BUSD 1 by 1. There The accounting firm with them completes these audit as part of BUSD's requirements as a regulated cryptocurrency. Not every project does this, and some fiat-based stablecoin might not have all the reserve they claim.